Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete voice from video in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your CapCut. Now select your video. Then click on your video. Now from here, you have to search for extract audio. Now click on this. By this, you can extract your audio. Now you just have to press on this delete option. That's it. So this is how to delete voice from your video in CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.